shots too.
I know.
Use it. I think these could speed it up on TikTok. Other things. To read it and understand it more and like, you know, blah blah blah.
Sure.
I tend to be weird. Read that. Right? And about that text before
I am.
Yeah.
And then like was like, well, did Jesus ever say anything or not? It's like sin, and that's why blah blah blah. And then I said,
we are not those people.
right.
You know, two have been people like Mike.
So I'll show you this.
I am the truth off of you. I'm gonna make a way out of this for you. Into other people.
Okay.
Have you seen that guy's video? Or to be cut. So he called
Because he was attached to.
because he was alive, and so they prayed for his silver cord to be cut. And so I think there's so much truth to resuscitating them, their spirit and their body on the bed, and starts falling.
Not to be not someone who's
Sitting in the car, like glaring at me,
I was thinking, and just saying, and
That's still 100.
well, Maddie, Josie.
Anyone?
and
These plates are bitch.
Yeah, then we got a plate.
I like it.
No, she was mad that Maddie grabbed her.
You should have just plated your own first, so you didn't have to ask me.
Beautiful. Gorgina. Beautiful, Maddie.
I love broccoli, bro.
Dog's butt. Oh my god.